Hi, I'm Curtis with SpryLyfe Medical, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Caire Companion 5 Home Oxygen Concentrator. Right out of the box, you're going to be receiving the machine itself. Also have the 25-foot tubing, so you can put the machine in another room, or it gives you the ability to walk around the house with it. We'll include your cannula, which will deliver the oxygen to you. And you'll have your user manual, so you'll be able to see any details about the machine that you need. Setting up your Caire Companion 5 is very simple. First step is to plug the machine in, grabbing your cannula and connecting that. There's also a spot for a humidifier kit that you can purchase separately. Turning on your Caire Companion 5 is very simple. First, just press the power button up here. And then to turn it off, just press the button again. This dial is how you're able to turn your flow rate up and down based off what you set it on. This light right here indicates that the machine is on or off. This is your warning light, so check your manual. And lastly, you have your O2 purity light. So if this is on, please check your manual and see if there's any problems you can diagnose yourself. The dimensions of the Caire Companion 5 is 21.5 inches high, 13.5 inches in depth, and 12.5 inches wide. The Caire Companion 5 weighs in at 36 pounds. The machine does go 1 to 5 liters per minute on a continuous flow. This machine can run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can run it with your CPAP or your BiPAP machine for the continuous flow. If you'd like to see how the Caire Companion 5 compares to other home oxygen concentrators, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified on other home oxygen concentrators that we post. Most importantly, if you are interested in the Caire Companion 5 or any other home oxygen concentrators, please visit our website, SpryLyfe.com, or give us a call at the number below, and we'll have a respiratory specialist helping you out with your needs.